Nipa, can you put this on your finger? Please.
Yay!
Congratulations! Congratulations, Nipa! Radul, my brother! Outstanding! Take proper care of her. Come here. I have to say something very important to you.
I want to clear one thing for one last time. In this house, everyone has accepted Mithai as the daughter-in-law. But I cannot continue to carry on this act of a happy couple.
Lord, give me some strength. Nowadays, Mr. Bittergod's words are hurting Mithai a lot. Lord, Siddharth is nothing to Mithai. Then why do Mr. Bittergod's words hurt Mithai so much? Once Sister Nipa gets married, then Mithai will explain to grandfather. Yes, I'll ask grandfather to release his grandson from this burden. Even though I'm the daughter-in-law of the house, Mr. Bittergod will have to see Mithai's face.
No, Shom. This won't work. You have not made any progress yet. What will Mr. Agarwal think about your progress? Tell me, how will they believe you if you don't sell them all the shops that Modak family owns?
What should I do? Tell me, uncle. I actually thought she has gone and she won't return. Disputes have begun in the business. Customers create problem in the shop. I don't know why Siddharth brought her back in the house. Is it because of Grandpa?
Siddharth can do anything for his grandpa. Didn't you see? They followed the rituals in pair. Actually, you all have the same nature, just like elder sister-in-law. Very kind-hearted. I know everything. I have a thought. I think you should find a partner. A partner who will give you ideas and will help you get rid of Mithai from the business.
I don't think anyone would be as supportive as you, uncle.
I can't be there with you always. I have my family and their responsibilities. Otherwise, how will I get the news? It is important for me to know everything. That's why I'm telling you I have someone else in mind.
Who is that?
Shall I say? Will you not get shocked? Mithai is her enemy too.
Do you mean Father Samresh? No, uncle, he's...
No. I am not talking about Samresh because he won't help you at all. I'm talking about someone else.
Whom are you referring to?
Think about it.
Torsha.
Now you have guessed it right. Good. Very good. Listen, you call Torsha. make a deal with her. You see, Shom, if Siddharth isn't there to support her, then it's not a big deal to get Mithai out of the way. And I know this very well. By going against father, elder brother will never entangle Mithai into a legal case. Only you can do it, or Torsha. I'm telling you to call her and make a deal with her. She won't refuse. And I'm sure about it. Here, take down her number. Take the number. Take it.
Uncle, what if Torsha informs Siddharth about all this? Will this be a right move?
Don't worry, she won't tell him. Because Torsha is jealous of what Mithai is. I understood this on the very first day. Shom. Torsha is in love with Siddharth. Mithai is her arch enemy. Why don't you understand this, Shom?
Tess?
Hmm?
Won't you go to the office?
No, Mom. I've taken a leave for a few days. I don't feel all right. I need a break.
This is a good thing. Will my baby go somewhere?
No, I'm not going anywhere. I want to stay alone for a few days. Of late, I've been feeling very disturbed. But you don't have to worry. You may go. I'll handle everything.
Sure.
Yes, you can go now.
Bye, baby.
Bye. Hello?
Hello, Torsha. I am Som, Siddharth's brother.
Shom. Who? Oh, yes, Siddharth's brother Shom. Tell me. You want to meet? And me? No, I mean, I don't understand. Why all of a sudden?
Yes, sir. Yes, as far as I know, we have sent the budget. Yes, sir. Okay. I'll just check once. Yes, let me check. Yeah. Let me just check. 1 second. Yes, sir. Budget sent. Right. No, Torsha is not well, sir. Yes, I'll show her the presentation. I'll go to her place and show it to her. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We have served cereals. It is meant for someone's breakfast. Otherwise, grandfather feels very bad.
No need to serve fancy meals every day, okay?
What happened? Here, drink water.
You don't have to do all that.
I came here because one must pack the bag if someone begins to choke. Otherwise, Mithai would not have come here. And as the daughter-in-law of the house, it is my duty to look after everyone. Nonsense.
What did you say? Your drama is never ending, right? Disgusting. Seriously. Sandy,
Yes,
what's this? What are these leaflets for?
these are leaflets for a blood donation camp. They suddenly fell out of my hands, so I was collecting them.
What blood donation camp?
Hey, our club actually arranges the camp, the same camp.
Where is the camp?
Huh? What?
Where is it held?
At the college. At the college, brother. They arrange these camps in different colleges. You know, I have told you about this earlier.
Seriously, Sandy? You're organizing blood donation camps at different colleges, right? I mean, you have a career and you're playing with your career right now.
No, brother. My career is just fine. I'm doing a regular job and earning money. No problem at all.
Sandy, I don't think you're telling me the truth. Anyway, you better be careful. And one more thing. Sandy, you don't study at a college anymore. You created lots of problems during college days. Today, I feel the same way about you. Anyway, I think I should leave.
Hey Sandy.
Yes.
Why was he yelling at you? What have you done?
He didn't say anything. Shri, please keep quiet.
No, why
Nothing
will
has
I
happened.
keep quiet?
I am your elder brother. I have the right to rebuke my younger brother, and whatever I say is for his own good.
I have never noticed this concern for your younger brothers and sisters before. That's why I couldn't understand.
Shri, I like to stay away from the drama that goes on in this house. That doesn't mean that I don't care about my siblings, so please watch it.
Shri, why are you bringing these all things again and again? Leave it.
What wrong did I do, brother? Does his behavior in any way show that he's a member of this
I
family?
didn't say anything to you.
Tea is ready. Brother Sandy, you have to go out, right? I'll just give you bread to eat.
Listen, Mithai. I don't have time. Please serve this food to your husband, Mr. Bittergourd, and pat his back when he chokes, okay? Got it, Mithai?
Things you say, Brother Sandy. You saw he misbehaved with me.
Yes, it is true that you get scolding, but lovingly you stopped him from choking, right? I'm leaving. Hey, Shri, I'm leaving. Bye.
Sandy, go slowly, don't run. The things this fellow does, he runs around throughout the day. Do you know, Mithai? I feel very upset if anyone scolds Sandy. He's so innocent. He doesn't know how to answer back. Sandy is the exact opposite of Siddharth.
Right, Sid. But sister, Brother Sandy was actually hiding something from Mr. Bittergourd. Where did he go? Is he really going to get into trouble?
What happened? Why are you so tense? Shom, since Tursha said she'll come, trust me, she'll definitely come. Everything will be all right. Listen, I don't think I should be here. I better leave.
But Uncle Bratin, do you have to leave?
Yes. You please don't hesitate. Just tell her what I've asked you to say. All the best.
Tosha, thank you for coming. Thank you so much.
What's the matter, Shom? Why did you want to see me all of a sudden?
Actually, there is something important, Tosha. Can we talk in the car?
Yeah, sure. Come.
Tosha, the driver.
Listen, can you wait outside for a while? Thank you. Shom, please come.
Come on. You know, Tosha, I don't know where to start. It's actually about Mithai.
What? Mithai? I mean, you want to talk to me about Mithai? Strange. What can I say about Mithai?
No. You don't have to say anything. You want Mithai to leave this house, right?
Means?
I mean, if Mithai stays, it's problematic for both of us. So I was thinking if we tried to remove her. Do you understand?
How will it be possible, Shom? Sid is bringing her back to his life over and over. There is family pressure too. You know what, Shom? I feel like going somewhere far away. I don't like it here any longer.
No. Tosha, what are you saying? Why would you go, Tosha? You are an old friend of Siddharth. And you love him too. If Mithai wouldn't have come, you would have got married. I know very well. I know my brother Siddharth. Whatever he says, but he's incapable of hurting anyone. He loves Grandpa a lot. He might say he doesn't believe in marriage. I know, Torsha, Siddharth would have got married to you someday, definitely. But everything went wrong because of that girl. I don't know what magic she cast on Grandpa. And why should you go? Mithai must leave. Listen, Torsha, speak with your mom and formulate a plan. I'm there with you. I also know that Mr. Modak by means Siddharth's dad stays in touch with you guys. But he will never go against Grandpa.
And can you?
Yes, I can. Modak family has hurt me a great deal. I can do anything now. I cannot tolerate the fact that Mithai is the main boss at my work.
I could not make out ever that you hate Mithai so much.
Anyway, forget all this. Just create a plan. You manage Siddharth and I will manage the business. We can remove Mithai by creating pressure. If she stays, I can destroy the Modak empire.
What? You want to destroy the business too? Seriously? No, I mean, you didn't seem that evil to me till now.
It happened for the best. No one will know how much damage I can cause. Now I can do whatever I wish to do.
Sir, I've got a question. I can't solve this equation. I have tried and I need your help. I can share my screen if you say so.
Shri, where is uncle?
What?
Where is uncle?
He has gone out.
Where are the elders of the house? Why don't you call them?
No elders are present in the household at the moment. Grandfather and grandmother went to temple. Uncle went to the shop and others went to work. Sulata auntie has gone shopping with Appa auntie and sister Nipa. But why? Did something troublesome happen?
Something terrible has happened. This morning, Sandeep went to some college to distribute some pamphlets or leaflets. Do you know the cause? Because I don't. I mean, there some college students passed lewd comments on the ladies of the group. It created a big nuisance in front of the college. They all got into a fight and everyone along with Sandeep got arrested.
What?
Yes. I went to the police station. But he won't be granted bail within the day. And the court is closed this weekend. I've tried to talk to the officer in charge and he won't even talk to me. Now there's just one option left. Now we need to contact an officer who's at a higher post. Only he'll be able to help us. Otherwise, he will have to stay in police custody for 2 days. I don't understand why they catch the innocent people and not the troublemakers. Sandeep was protesting. Despite that, he got arrested.